Hello, good afternoon. My name is Cristián Utrilla. I am from Mexico City, and I'm here to talk about my second task about the DAWs. And I am going to choose the topic about editing tools. I'm going to make a couple of crossfades and a little merge using some tools. So let's hope this goes well. Okay, here I have two tracks called Piano 1 in green in the first track, Piano 2 in yellow in the second track, and I'm going to trim one and separate the other and then make a little crossfade in order to make a third track, a merge track. Okay, let's hear the first track. The first track goes like this. I'm going to put the solo button. I want to trim it from here, this part. I'm going to use the zoom tool, is this bar in the upper part, and I'm going to put a marker. Okay, so I know exactly the point where I'm going to trim, and let's trim it. This, you see, I put my cursor on the corner, the bottom corner, and that red icon is the trim icon. Let me trim it. Okay, and then I'm going to put my track on the first part. Let's hear it. Okay, let's go to the second one. Let me erase this marker, so let's not get confused. Okay, and let's work on the second one. I'm going to push the solo button. I want to use this second part. Let me use the zoom tool so I can put the marker in a precise position. Okay, I want to put it here. Okay, and then I'm going to use the separate tool. Is the time tool, you see, is this one, this vertical line. I'm going to make a small incision or selection. I'm going to push delete. I'm going to select the first portion of my track and delete it. Okay, next part, I'm going to make a crossfade between the two tracks, but first I'm going to merge them. So I'm going to copy to a third track in case I don't like what the merge things tool makes. Okay, I use my cursor with the option button to copy them with a shortcut. Okay, let's see. I don't want also this part. I'm pointing with my cursor. I'm going to trim it, and I'm going to use a crossfade. There are two ways of making crossfades in Audition. The first one is with this little square, you see, and this makes a fade out effect. You see, if I put it, okay, let me use the solo, sorry. Okay, you see, that's the effect. And I could put a fade in here, and in this case I would have to put one in one track, the first one, and the second one in another. But Audition has a new tool recently in which you can just overlap them and automatically puts a crossfade. So let's hear it. Let me shorten this a little bit more. Okay, and I am going to overlap them here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, I like them. I hope you too. Okay, we have a merge. Okay, in making a small recap, we saw in this little tutorial how to mark, how to trim, how to separate a track, how to copy those tracks into a third one, and how to make a very tiny crossfade in order to make a merge between these two tracks and making a very, very small arrangement. Okay, that will be all. Thank you, and see you next time. Goodbye.